Wait, we have a different color at down here. What on?
Oh my God.
No, the top of me not do yet, so I can't take out the hats. Anyway, let's continue.
Okay.
It don't matter. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shar and we're back again with another banger video. I just did it. And we're back again with another banger video. And my special guest again is Kadie. All right, and tonight we're gonna be playing. Tonight, whenever you're watching it, we're gonna be playing Never Have I Ever. So we just found some random questions on the internet, and it's like 22 questions. I'm not skipping any, and we're just gonna go through. If we have, we're gonna put up the sign have. If we've never, we're gonna put up a sign never, and we're gonna be 100% honest.
Oh God!
Look at Diddy. Look at Diddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. First question. Never have I ever sent a naughty picture. Okay, looks like we're being honest tonight. Never have I ever slept in the buff. I don't understand what the buff is, so I'm
What
going
is the buff?
to say never. Well, it doesn't even matter what buff is. Like, me never sleep tonight.
Never.
Never have I ever received a lap dance. Jaja. Hey. I would be lying if I said I haven't. Never have I ever given a lap dance. Jaja. Huh, them questions are tough. Never have I taken a selfie. Really?
Hello.
Never have I ever had friends with benefits. Never have I ever kissed a stranger. Stranger is somebody you don't know. Like if I've stranger is somebody you don't know. Yeah, I wouldn't say stranger.
No.
Never have I ever flashed someone. Really?
Who is saying that? Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
I've never flashed someone. Even if you were dating the person at the time, you have never flashed someone. Get a lie, people. People. All right. But don't talk. Never have I ever had a threesome. Never. Don't want one. Never have I role played. Trying to remember. I guess maybe I wasn't a French though.
I was just about to say you remember that outfit. Nope.
Never have I ever skinny dipped. I don't think that. Wait. No, that wasn't totally skin. No, that's not a skin.
No, it has to be nude. No, so I've never.
Never have I ever been caught looking at something naughty. Now, I don't I've never been caught at something naughty.
I'm look through the window upon people. Remember me look on somebody.
Have you
I'm
ever
get
been caught though? You get catch?
Yeah, no, me get catch.
Never have I ever made out with someone of the same sex. Never. Never have I ever sexed.
Like sex what?
Sex. Never have I ever flirted with a teacher. I saw this thing at school on the fast. Never have I ever been to a nude beach. I've never been to a nude beach.
I have.
Were you naked on the beach?
No, it's a
Oh yeah, do
been
I
on
live
it.
at a nude beach?
It was a part of the hotel.
Never have I ever watched porn. Let me ask that question, you see?
Watch porn. To be fair, I don't search for porn, but I have.
Yeah, you don't search for it, but you have.
No, yeah, because if the movie has in porn, then yeah, it's porn.
I want to use the search for Cinemax or whatever. You know, go on. Never have I ever had a crush on a coworker.
Oh yeah, I have.
No, me never.
I have.
Oh
No,
wait,
a crush. Yeah,
summer job. Hold on, summer job.
yeah, I have.
Just remember
Just
that Hispanic boy there.
Just a crush.
Yeah,
Nothing else.
That's a mild crush. Easy for iron out.
Yeah.
Never have I ever been to an adult store. I yeah. Never have I ever played Dirty Truth or Dare. I've actually never played Dirty Truth or Dare. All right. Good girl. Never have I ever taken a shower selfie. And the last question. Never ever have I been shy in the bedroom. I feel like I have. Oh my god, that was 22 questions. Do you have any that you want to throw in the ring?
Not at this moment.
Okay. Thank you for keeping it safe. You could have thrown more questions into the ring. Thank you for keeping it safe and keeping it PG. No, but them questions here though. If you know what buff is. So guys, comment below if you know what they meant by never have I slept in the buff. Please comment below and tell me what is the buff.
As I'm here about buff, I want to me know about and my buff name.
Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us.
So,
Jesus have mercy. Bless God. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Wait, I have another question.
sure.
Have I ever said I love you to someone? Everybody said that. I never mean it. Never ever have I been dumped. No, guilty with explanation, Your Honor. So, yes, I have been dumped, but here's the backstory. This was high school. I was not sexually active. And this guy broke up with me in a letter. Like he gave me a letter and was like, don't read it until you get home. So, of course, me read it before I go on a taxi.
You're right.
I was like, Okay, all right. That is your first rejection, breakup, and everything in between. But it didn't feel bad because it's like you're breaking up with me because I don't want to have sex with you, which was completely
Right.
that
That's
was
fine.
trying to have a baby. So, you know, I always talk about that breakup because it was just so weird. Just say it, just say it. Don't send a message or a telegram. That's crazy. I'm gonna ask one final question. Never have I ever dated someone just to make someone else jealous. Yeah, sorry, not sorry. Sorry, not sorry.
And I do it again.
Why are women like this? Like, why would we date someone to get back at somebody else?
Graduate from Petty College, first degree honors.
Don't. I get honest, summa cum laude. That's what them say? Yeah. Graduate. Yeah, you. Why I talk like that?
Pettyism.
Oh my god. That's a new word. Oh my god.
But with that, I'm only sorry for the person that we're using.
Jaja.
Yeah.
Like, I feel bad for whoever I've used in the past,
Yeah.
Condolences to those people.
And to whoever's son I used, your son is a better man because of me.
I'm truly sorry. Like, truly sorry. But I'm a better woman because of your son.
Oh my god. Whatever.
You know what? Oh my god. This has been like one of the most fun tapings, I have to say. Thank you again, Cats, for coming on and having fun with me. For sure, do this again and again. Because she is like, she's like the Statue of Liberty. You know what the Statue of Liberty day in New York for years and years and years. And so she started up in her life. Just stand up in her life like Statue of Liberty. She will not be moved, people. So
I'm just there to hold you up.
Bless God. Just touch. Yeah, you right there. Right through.
I saw.
You know what? Before this gets unsafe, we're gonna end this vlog. We're gonna end this vlog because it's getting a little bit unsafe, and we're going.
There you go.
That should not be public. So, thanks again, Cats, for coming on. And
you're welcome. Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. I will not share her social media because she doesn't want any more followers. Of course, you can hit the subscription button below, like right there, like hit it. Oh, and the like button, like turn it blue. Yeah. And again, guys, watch all the ads too. Okay, just a note.
You gotta make that.
Take care of your order down. Hey, look at you. Hey,
Okay.
bye, guys. Out.